Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and today we are going to talk about pharynx development. So let's start our topic with introduction. Pharynx develops early in embryogenesis as part of primitive foregut. It gives rise to multiple important head and neck structures and play a crucial role in development of respiratory and digestive systems. Its formation is closely associated with pharyngeal apparatus, which include pharyngeal arches, pharyngeal pouches, pharyngeal grooves, and pharyngeal membranes. Embryonic origin of pharynx. Pharynx arises from endoderm-lined cranial part of the foregut. The mesoderm of pharyngeal arches contribute to the muscular component of the pharynx, and ectoderm cover the external surface of pharyngeal arches. Neural crest cells contribute to skeletal and connective tissue elements of pharynx. Timeline of development of pharynx. It starts from week 3 to 4 when the cranial end of foregut expands and forms the primitive pharynx. During week 4 to 5 there is formation of pharyngeal arches, pouches and grooves. During week 6 to 7 there is differentiation of arch derivatives into muscles, skeletal elements and nerves. During week 8 and afterwards, there is continued growth and maturation of pharyngeal region. Formation of pharyngeal apparatus. Pharyngeal apparatus is the basis of pharyngeal development and consists of pharyngeal arches, pharyngeal pouches, pharyngeal grooves, and pharyngeal membranes. Pharyngeal arches appears during fourth week as a paired mesodermal swelling on the sides of developing pharynx. There are six arches and fifth is rudimentary in humans. Each arch contains mesoderm that is for muscle and arteries, cartilaginous rod that is for skeletal elements, cranial nerve that is specific to each arch, and aortic arch entry. Next we have is pharyngeal pouches that are endoderm outpocketing on the internal wall of the pharynx. There are four well-developed pouches for important organs that include first pouch that form tympanic cavity and auditory tube. Second pouch from the palatine tonsils, third pouch from the inferior parathyroid and thymus, fourth pouch from the superior parathyroid's ultioumbilical body that gives parafollicular cells, C cells of the thyroid. Then there is pharyngeal grooves that are ectodermal invagination on the external surface between pharyngeal arches. There are only the first groove persists and that form the external auditory meatus that often and other disappear. Then there is pharyngeal membrane that is a structure where endoderm and ectoderm meet between the arches. The first membrane persists as tympanic membrane that is also called as eardrum. Talking about subdivision of pharynx, by the end of development, the primitive pharynx is divided into three regions. That is nasopharynx that form the cranial foregut that is lined by respiratory epithelium. Oropharynx that is associated with second arch derivatives and it is lined by stratified squamous epithelium. Third region is laryngopharynx that is caudal pharyngeal region that lead to the esophageal and larynx. Talking about developments of muscles of pharynx, the mesoderm of each pharyngeal arch give rise to specific muscles. First arch gives rise to muscles of mastication, mylohyoid muscle, and anterior belly of digastric. Second arch gives rise to muscles of facial expression, stylohyoid muscle, and posterior belly of digastric. Third arch gives rise to stylopharyngeus muscle, and fourth and sixth arch give rise to pharyngeal constrictors, laryngeal muscles, and palatal muscles. Development of nerve supply. Each pharyngeal arch is innervated by a specific cranial nerve, as first arch is innervated by a trigeminal nerve, second arch is innervated by a facial nerve, third arch is innervated by a glossopharyngeal nerve, and fourth arch is innervated by a vagus nerve. Fourth and sixth arch both are innervated by a vagus nerve. Now let's talk about clinical significance. First, there may be brachial cysts and fistulas, that is the persistence of pharyngeal grooves or pouches that may form cysts or fistulas along the neck. Second is cleft palate, that is improper development of pharyngeal arches that is associated with palatal shells. Third significance is thymic and parathyroid abnormalities, as there is maldevelopment of third and fourth pouches that affect immune and calcium regulation. Fourth significance is Diet-George syndrome, that is abnormal neural crest migration that result in hypoplasia of thymus and parathyroids. Now let's talk about conclusion of this lecture video. Pharynx develop from cranial foregut and the pharyngeal apparatus, which give rise to essential head and neck structures. Proper formation of pharyngeal arches, pouches, grooves, and membrane is vital for normal anatomy of face, neck, and upper respiratory and digestive system. Track. Embryological knowledge is crucial for understanding congenital anomalies and guiding surgical intervention in ENT and head and neck surgery. And this was all about the development of pharynx. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.